Yo, what's up, guys? My name is Fly619 here, and welcome back to another Shotgun Legends video. And actually, I wanted to make this video just because there was a hater in the comment right now of the video that I made that was actually about a roast video, and yeah, I'm just gonna say this, guys, and hate me not actually as a YouTuber, but I don't allow you over here. If you're gonna unsubscribe, just literally unsubscribe. I don't get why you have to show on a comment that you're unsubscribing. Don't literally be that hypocrite. I don't get why you guys. If you guys gonna unsubscribe, don't say it. Just do it. I don't get why you guys do that. And plus, I don't think that dude literally posts anything on his channel, and he's targeting me for that crap. So the other day, I was reading throughout my comments, and you know I'll be watching my comments, and this guy over here called me the worst YouTuber, and I deleted it out. And then he's over here saying I'm unsubscribing you because he's not gonna listen to any cuss words. Let me put it here, Philip. I deleted all your comments, but I already know a picture in my head. The reason why I'm over here cussing is because again, it was only one roast video, and it's not like just because I'm just a different YouTuber. No, there's so many YouTubers who can cuss and they don't get copyrighted. They don't get age restricted for that. So I'm still wondering that you used to unsubscribe to me just for no proper reason, just because I got more videos than you. Cause let me be honest with this. He literally doesn't post any videos on his channel. And how I know that, I looked at his YouTube video. Yeah, I looked at his YouTube channel like I'm some kind of a jerk. Yeah, he doesn't post nothing at all. And he's talking my videos. Get out here with that. Okay, so guys, like literally, I'm just gonna say that actually is kind of offending me, and that you guys over here saying that, and plus, yeah, guys, I'm just saying that. Well, if you guys are new, please subscribe and literally respect that. Sometimes I do cuss, and I just want to show the purpose that I do cuss. So yeah. And please, share this to all your friends and whoever likes cussing, because that's what I do in life, and I don't think that it's not really offending to just cuss in public. Because it is a free country, you have a freedom to speech, but I don't think that you have to unsubscribe somebody just for that. This doesn't make any sense, because all YouTubers cuss. Majority of the YouTubers who are entertainment is cussing, so yeah. So if you guys are my real OGs, please give this video a like, hit this comment down below, and subscribe if you guys are new. But anyway, guys, let's do down to business. I'm playing Shotgun Legends just to let you guys know. Okay, so destroy. Oh, destroy. Okay, so my plans is for this video, I'm actually getting a lot of gold chests because to be honest though, I need to get some good stuff real quick. So And also, guys, if you wondering why why my voice sounds weak, because I'm sick today, and I finally got my first sickness. So, guys, well, praise God that I'm actually feeling better. So yeah. So yeah, this is my first time getting sick. I never got sick after like 21 years of me living. Right now, like literally, I'm about to be 22, and now I'm sick. So yeah, yeah, it's weird. Me 21 and a half actually still playing video games. It's because like literally this is my entertainment. That's why. And like to like make fun of like comments. I mean like fun of like TV shows. And if you guys want me to still do that, please put it in comments section below, or leave a like on the last video that I did, that you want more roast videos, so I can really make more for you guys. Almost died right there? Okay. If you guys wondering, okay, hold up. Let's get this guys out of here. If you guys wondering, what is it called? How I got this armor is I did it on the last video of the Shotgun Legends. I know I haven't been posting Shotgun Legends. I should post them more often, but I get too busy with the other games, and plus, but I've been working a lot lately, so I can't be posting 24/7 on what I've been usually doing. So yeah, so my schedule right now, since it's been different, so yeah, whenever I'm gonna live stream, you guys will get notified from YouTube from it and stuff like that. So guys, if you literally get notification on YouTube, please go try to like have a nerve to watch it, because we get really interesting on the comments anyway. So like yeah, even though my girlfriend does deserve some comments on her channel too. Okay, so yeah, my plan is for the end of the video, I have to collect all the gold that I got. So, yeah. And these are for gold chests, because they added into a new event when you're on level 20 or something over like that. I don't fully remember, but yeah, they actually did that because I'm 22 and I'm actually going to be like in the high levels once I'm done with these places anyway. So it's going. Got
a guy who's been looking for one of these. Well, you see junk, I see treasure.
He said you see drunk. I mean you see what's it called? You see junk, I see treasure. Okay. I didn't not even say that. Okay. Weird.
Okay, you got yourself a deal.
I got some bullcrap armor real quick. Hold on, guys.
Oh, I was just looking for this thing.
Okay, now he just give me a little. Okay, now he give me a legendary. She gave me that in first goddamn place.
Any better myself. I'll catch you on the flip side.
Okay, so okay, mom. He wants a 100.
Sharp today, amigo. As if by magic, you know?
Okay, I'm gonna hurry up this video, so let me skip this part. Okay, so guys, we're back over here now. Okay, sorry about that. I literally skipped that part, but yeah, I did not know. Like, if you guys don't want to watch the purpose of me just going through that stuff, but I should have like skipped it a long time ago, because that was not part of the video anyway. Actually, shot my bullet. My bad. Okay. I apologize for less talking. Bye, guys. I'm sorry for that reason.
You want some?
Just bear with me when I'm sick.
Son of a bitch! This is mine now.
We're bowling. What the heck? I don't know why that popped up. Okay. I pushed my X button too hard. That's probably why.
I will tear you apart! That was nasty. Open sesame.
Okay, so oh shoot. Oh god. Oh. Almost died right there, guys. Let's go hurry up. And,
You are going down! Oh, is that all you got?
I don't know. Let's see. I apologize for a little. Did I just forget like the last mission I did? There was only one chest I was supposed to look for, and I messed it up like that. Okay. I just messed it up. Okay. I didn't think that much. Too.
Ouch!
So now this is okay.
Hell yeah!
Get in cover.
Easy prey.
Yeah.
Fresh flesh. I'll take that.
Okay, no. Oh shoot, my bad. Okay. Okay. Okay, so two sessions today. Let's go. Open the first one. I already got these, but they're stronger light. Okay. Does it give me this as my shoulders? Okay. We equip that. Okay, well, let's just delete. Okay, let's just mental this for just like with tools. I'm gonna open up this chest. Oh, new gloves. Okay. My other gloves are overprotected. The other gloves, so yeah, guys. yeah, let me just delete all this bad stuff real quick. Yes. Okay. So guys, that's it for my video, guys. If you guys like it, you know what to do. Smack that like button, leave an awesome comment down below, and subscribe if you guys new, and follow me on Instagram, and go to my Discord server if you still want to literally chat with me and my girlfriend and my best friends, and yeah. And we'll try to hook up one day on Shotgun Legends or Shotgun Legends or Critical Strike or Roblox, because I still have a Roblox account, and the guys, I still sponsor Roblox. So yeah, so guys, if you guys want to still add me onto Shotgun Legends, it's just right here. I don't get like it's easy to actually type it in. It's actually just my YouTube channel with the Y at the end. So yeah. Anyway, guys, peace.